Undercovering environmental wrongdoing in the Amazon rainforest with OSINT. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest. It covers 40% of the South American continent and is connected by 8 countries: Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, Venezuela, and French Guiana. I will use Sofia Santos' tutorials on how to use satellite imagery to visualize changes in landscape. Public interest statement. Deforestation poses a significant threat to the environment, impacted climate change and leading to soil degradation, global warming, wildfire extinction, loss of biodiversity, and it also impacts indigenous communities. Despite global concerns, the demand for resources like gold, meat, fuel, and building materials has risen, contributing to the ongoing deforestation. The Amazon rainforest in particular has seen 17% reduction in the past 50 years. This information about the deforestation and forest fires further complicates the issue. Deforestation disrupts the carbon cycle, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and contributing to approximately 15% of human-caused greenhouse gas emissions. Preliminary research question. How has the Amazon rainforest landscape been affected by the impacts of deforestation activities? Deforestation is one of the most pressing environmental issues facing the world today. So I will use OSINT tools to see the landscape changes throughout the years. Furthermore, I want to further explore how OSINT contribute to monitor landscape deforestation and forest fire activities and what the risks are of deforestation. Deforestation results from a combination of natural and human-induced factors. While natural events such as wildfire contribute to deforestation, deliberate human actions, both legal and illegal, play a significant role. The persistent demand for natural resources and land leads to intentional forest fires, often encouraged among ranchers, farmers, and loggers to clear land. Human activities emerge as a primary driver of deforestation, driven by a commercial and societal needs. That's why I have also prepared sub-questions, such as, first, what are the factors of these deforestation activities and what are the socioeconomic and environmental consequences associated with each category? 2. How is deforestation linked to forest fires and what are the risks of forest fires? 3. How does OSINT contribute to monitor landscape deforestation activities in the Amazon? For my methods, I will be using qualitative and quantitative research by analyzing articles, newspapers, documentaries, videos, photos, graphs, and tables. The research aims to employ OSINT tools to track deforestation patterns in the Amazon region through satellite imagery. The focus is on creating time-lapse videos illustrating changes over the past decade, with consideration for major events. If a research focusing on the last 10 years proves to be too big or complex, then I will focus on the last 4 years, from 2020 to 2023. Although some tools share similarities in rendering visual data, the intention is to compare the results from various tools. The primary platforms for analysis I will be using is Global Forest Watch and Google Earth Pro, and also NASA firms. Risk analysis. I might encounter possible errors and technical issues with the satellite OSINT tools due to inexperience. I could also misinterpret the data I collect from these tools. The data visualization might not be clear in some cases. Also, not enough data of the situation in all the Amazon rainforest countries might be available. By this I mean there will be potential limitations in accessing data for all the countries connected to the Amazon. In such case, then I will be focusing my research and I will narrow it down to Brazil, where nearly 2/3 of the Amazon rainforest is located, ensuring a more concentrated examination of the region.